Avoidants will break up with you because they think that they don't love you and then realize 6 months later that they were wrong. But here's the good part. What you need to realize is that when an avoidant breaks up with you, you are actually progressing your relationship with them. This is because after 6 months or even 1 month after the breakup, the avoidant will realize how much they loved you and what they lost. And so they'll try to come back. And when they do come back, instead of punishing them for their actions, instead of being angry at them, you need to accept them with open arms. Now, accepting them depends on the context and the situation. During the time you were broken up with them, if they did something that really hurt you, if they slept with multiple people, then it's probably not a good idea to take them back. If you feel angry and resentful, that's understandable. But remember, if your partner has done nothing wrong during the time of the breakup, and if you really love them, then you need to have patience and understanding. They're not doing this to hurt you. They've got unresolved traumas and limiting beliefs that makes them do things that unintentionally hurt you. So if you really love your partner, then approach them from a place of empathy. And think of it as you helping them to heal themselves. You are helping them to clear their traumas and all of their fears about themselves. You have the power to finally break their insecurities and heal them. You really do. So when the avoidant comes back and seeks your love, give it to them. Love them without holding back, and you'll go even deeper than the first time with your relationship with them.